Thank you, Don. I hope everyone can hear me in the back room. I'm going to make this brief because I want to make sure we get out of here on time. I would like to say, starting out, we're in our 17th year of design build projects. Don started the program back in '99. I hate to date you, Don. Several successful projects we've done. The Central Texas Turnpike projects in Central Texas, NTE, DFW, Loop 360, 183, and 35 East in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We're currently working on Border Highway El Paso. Future projects, Harbor Bridge, Corpus Christi. Future segments, 35 East, Southern Gateway, and I'm hoping we'll do the South Padre Island Causeway. We would not be successful over the years without our consultants, and I mean in-house or program management consultants, which we currently have 3: Atkins Group, HDR Engineering, and our new group, Burns McDonald. So, and then of course on the developer side, we would not be successful without developer. In this case, we're talking Buid and their right-of-way team. It's been a great collaboration. We look forward to more of those in the years to come. With that, why don't we move on to Bill? I want to, on this slide, I want you to kind of pick up on 5 concepts here. One is PPPs, or the P3s, a public-private partnership. This is what drives our new projects that we're doing. A developer will make a proposal to TxDOT. They'll find innovative ways to do construction to make things go faster, and they'll take risk off of our hands, TxDOT's hands, for doing that. The comprehensive development agreements, those are a driving tool, a contract that the developer uses. It shifts the risk to the developer, and with their innovative process, will stream up the construction and hopefully the right-of-way processes. Design build has been very successful. We find by co-locating, at least with the right-of-way and utility groups with the developer, that we bring the decision makers into one building. We make decisions on the fly as the design is being designed. We're buying right-of-way at the same time. In some cases, we have construction equipment idling on the properties next door, waiting for a property to be released for construction. The design, build, operate, maintain, that's the same thing as design build, but obviously they're going to maintain and operate it. The last one is the concession model, where the developer will provide 100% of the funds for construction. And of course, they'll bring their own money. A lot of them are international conglomerates that bring money to the table. They'll possibly use TIFIA loans, bond money, and then they share in the total revenue to get paid back over time. Let's move on to the next slide here. We talked a bit ago about the P3 project model and advanced acquisition. Again, the main thing to pick out of that is we want to shift as much risk as we can for the problems that we encounter in right-of-way and utilities on the developer. But keep in mind, they try to shift it back to us, so it's kind of a funny game. Okay, one of our big successes is coordinating. We coordinate when a developer is selected for a project. We do it up front, and we coordinate throughout the project. And the locals, the cities, the counties, we coordinate with them. You know, the court systems, the county and local judges need to be informed, because we bring a lot of condemnation into the system, and we need to make sure that they understand that there's going to be a lot of cases and they have adequate special commissioners to handle these cases. We coordinate early on with utility owners. We hold successful workshops with them to identify who the players are, what the problems are, what the timeline is. Also, TxDOT district, very important. They have the history. They're their projects. We're there to help them. Also, it's not on there, but the right-of-way division has been a key player over the years in helping us be successful. Just real quickly here, on the left side in black is the TxDOT side roll, and basically up here on the Monopoly game, TxDOT SBD, that's our project managers that drive our projects. To the right of that's our management consultants that I talked about earlier. TxDOT District, I mentioned them, the right-of-way division, and then the Office of Attorney General, they're involved way up front in our projects. We try to identify legal problems early on and minimize our risk in court cases. On the right side is the developers team in blue. The developer, design build contractor, their acquisition service providers, which I see some here in the room, which is acquisition, relo, all those things associated with right-of-way. The utility provider team, and of course environmental specialists for phase 1, phase 2, and then of course the title companies. They're critical early on because you want to knock out the major title problems early on because they can take months to cure.